How to execute a file within the Python interpreter. I'm trying to execute a file with Python commands from within the interpreter. Edit, I'm trying to use variables and settings from that file, not to invoke a separate process.
Several ways. From the shell. From inside idle, hit F5. If you're typing interactively, try this, Python 3. For Python 2.
For Python 2. For Python 3. See the documentation. If you are using Python 3.0, see this question. See answer by at s.lot for an example of how you access globals from founding.py after executing it.
Python 2 plus Python 3. This will execute a script and put all its global variables in the interpreter's global scope, the normal behavior in most scripting environments. Python 3 executive documentation.
Surprised I haven't seen this yet. You can execute a file and then leave the interpreter open after execution terminates using the I option.
I'm trying to use variables and settings from that file, not to invoke a separate process. Well, simply importing the file with import filename -.py needs to be in the same directory or on your Python path, will run the file, making its variables, functions, classes, etc. available in the filename.variable namespace. So if you have cheddar.py with the variable spam and the function eggs, you can import them with import cheddar, access the variable with cheddar.spam and run the function by calling cheddar.eggs. If you have code in cheddar.py that is outside a function, it will be run immediately, but building applications that run stuff on import is going to make it hard to reuse your code. If at all possible, put everything inside functions or classes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.